Here's a list of historical inferences and unobservable processes in evolutionary science and other fields of science. In evolutionary science, common ancestry. The idea that all life forms share a common ancestor is an inference based on genetic, morphological, and fossil evidence, but the actual common ancestor is unobservable. Fossil record interpretation. Fossils provide snapshots of life at different times, but the specific transitions between species over millions of years are not directly observed. Natural selection. Over deep time, the long-term effects of natural selection, such as the evolution of new species, occur over time periods that far exceed human observation. Co-option of genes. The idea that certain genes or structures, like the PAX6 gene, were co-opted for new purposes in evolutionary history is inferred but not directly observable. Gradual morphological changes. The stepwise transitions from simple to complex biological structures are inferred through models, like Nielsen and Pelger's work on eye evolution, but the actual evolutionary steps are unobservable. Molecular phylogenetics. Inferences about the evolutionary relationships of species based on DNA sequencing cannot directly observe the evolutionary processes that produced those relationships. Speciation events. The divergence of one species into two is rarely directly observable in real time. It is typically inferred through genetic and morphological evidence. In other fields of science, Big Bang theory, cosmology. The event that initiated the expansion of the universe is unobservable. It is inferred from the cosmic microwave background radiation and redshift of galaxies. Dark matter and dark energy, physics. The existence of dark matter and dark energy is inferred from the behavior of galaxies and the expansion of the universe, but neither has been directly observed. Plate tectonics, geology. The movement of tectonic plates over millions of years is inferred from geological evidence, but the long-term processes themselves are unobservable. Formation of the solar system, astronomy. The processes that led to the formation of the solar system are inferred from models and observations of other star systems, but are not directly observed. Abiogenesis, origin of life. The origin of life from non-living matter is unobservable. It is inferred through biochemical models and experiments, but remains theoretical. Glaciation and ice ages, geology, climatology. Past ice ages and glaciation events are inferred from geological evidence like ice cores and glacial deposits, but the processes themselves cannot be observed today. Radioactive decay over geological time, geochemistry. The decay of isotopes used for radiometric dating is an inference of time spans far longer than direct human observation allows. Human evolutionary migration, anthropology. The migration patterns of early human populations are inferred from archaeological and genetic evidence, but these movements are not directly observable. Formation of stars and galaxies, astronomy. The formation processes of stars and galaxies are inferred from observations of young star systems and the distribution of galaxies, but these events take millions to billions of years to unfold. Quantum fluctuations in the early universe, quantum physics cosmology. The quantum fluctuations, thought to give rise to the structure of the universe, are inferred from cosmological models and data, but these fluctuations themselves are unobservable. These historical inferences and unobservable processes are foundational to many scientific fields and represent the challenge of explaining events or processes that cannot be directly observed but must be inferred from available data and models.